I'm about to drop a secret hack that will blow your mind. I've recently stumbled upon a game-changing way to unleash the power of Midjourney AI for free. Yes, you heard that right. Midjourney AI for free! Whether you're in need of captivating logos, stunning graphics, photorealistic scenes, or anything else, this tool is about to revolutionize your creative game. Allow me to introduce you to Blue Willow AI, the ultimate game changer. You can find it at the link in the description. Go to their website and join the beta in Discord, just like Midjourney. After that, go to the Rookies section and use the same prompt as you would for Midjourney. Now, you must be wondering how I can use Midjourney AI for free. Well, the secret is this amazing tool called Blue Willow AI. Blue Willow AI is a service that connects to the Midjourney Discord server and lets you enter your prompts on their website. You don't need to join Midjourney's Discord server or pay for a subscription to use Midjourney AI. Blue Willow AI does all the work for you and shows you the generated images from the Midjourney bot. It's like having a free pass to use Midjourney AI without any hassle. But you have to act fast because this may not last long. Midjourney may change its policies or block Blue Willow's access in the future. So don't miss this opportunity and check out Blue Willow AI at the link in the description.